Hello students, welcome to third standard English class. Let us move on to the new topic, that is lesson number 9, Tenali Ram and the Red Peacock. So students, this story is given in the form of characters and it is given as scene 1, scene 2. When we make a picture, we see the characters there. Like the one man will speak, then the hero speaks, then the villain speaks. We prepare characters, whatever dialogues are there, we go on writing. So the producers go on writing. The same way, this story is also written in the form of characters, and we will start with scene 1 now. So the characters are King Krishna Devaraya, name of the king, courtier 1, 2 and 3. Here courtier means the advisors who stay in the king's palace, and we have here painter. So let us see the what they are speaking to each other. So here students, Krishna Devaraya is an empire. He ruled the place for 1509 to 1529. Tenali Rama was a very wise minister. This Tenali Rama, he was a very wise minister here in the courtyard, in the king's palace. He was noted particularly for his brilliant and wit. Chatur Pandit was a cunning minister in King Krishna Deva Raya's court. Now read a play about these characters. So let us see the characters, what they are speaking. Scene 1, court of King Krishna Deva Raya. Chatur Pandit enters carrying a red peacock. So the king's palace has been opened now, and there is a king named Krishna. The king name of the king was Krishna Deva Raya. So let us see the characters among them, what they speak to each other. King tells, what an extraordinary creature. To whom? He says to, there was one Chatur Pandit, his name was Chatur Pandit, and he was very cunning minister, and one day that minister brings a red peacock to the, he brings a red peacock to the courtier, to the court there. So I told you courtier, 3 courtiers were there, 3 advisors were there in the court of the king. So first courtier says, a red peacock, wonderful. One of them says, red peacock, it's very beautiful. And the second one says, this is truly the most exotic bird. As we know, peacock is a national bird, and exotic means unusual, means very nice and a different type of bird. So Chatur Pandit, who had come to the court of the king Krishna Deva Raya, so what that Chatur Pandit says, Your Majesty, I have suffered a lot of hardship to get this rare bird to add to your collection. Everyone knows you can pay any price to buy anything unusual. So what Chatur Pandit says to Your Majesty, the king, see, I have worked very hard and have brought this bird. It is a very rare collection. We won't get the peacock, and you know that you will give a very good price for this peacock. Unusual means it's a very unique bird in our country, as it is a national bird. So the third courtier, what he says, Your Majesty, you have spent a lot of money from your treasury to get new and extraordinary birds and animals from across the kingdom and abroad, but this is the rarest. So courtier 3, he says to, as he was an advisor, he says to king that, yeah, you have spent lot of money from your treasury, from the box, and you have bought many extraordinary birds, animals in the your kingdom there. And I think this peacock is the rarest. We won't get the peacock like this. And what was the peacock color? Yeah, it was the peacock color was red in color. So again, Chatur Pandit, minister, what he says, Your Majesty, I had sent 2 of my loyal servants to find the unusual species for you. They are well trained in following animals and hunting. My loyal servants had been scouring the dense forest to capture the peacock. Finally, they managed to find it from the densest jungles of Madhya Pradesh. I am glad to present it to your highness. Now with this precious bird in your custody, your fame will spread in the world. So Chatur Pandit, he says, he was very cunning, and he says, yes, I have sent my some people to the forest, and after long search, they got a peacock which is very unique, and they are very real trainers. They catch birds and animals, and this peacock we have catch from the jungle there. And scouring means, yes, they have went to the search the animals and birds in the dense forest, in thick forest there, and they had brought the peacock. And which place? The very thick forest in the Madhya Pradesh, name of the place it was. So the Chatur Pandit says to the Majesty. So what Majesty says, what the king says, let us see. You are my loyal courtier, Chatur Pandit. How shall I reward you? So king says, yeah, you are a very good man. You are very loyal to me. So what shall I give you? You have brought a very nice bird, he says. Chatur Pandit, he says, I am your humble servant, your Majesty. I only seek your blessings, but I will be happy if I convey 100 gold coins which I have to spend on a difficult journey to find this kingdom. So Chatur Pandit says, yeah, I am very noble and you are very good servant, fine? And your majesty, it's okay that you give me only your blessings, but even though if you want to give me, you can give me 100 gold coins, because while going to the jungle in a big journey, there very difficult to go, very difficult to take that people in the dense forest, thick forest, and bring that peacock. So please give me the 100 gold coins as a gift for me. So students, remaining story we'll see in the next class. Thank you.